Alright, the might take area ba Accra Live Sports Update so and I yawada. That's Nancy. A good year them and an pay no. Ya jipini a yellow bro. A dear metis so and then an aquami and ponsa. Then you know, you have a quamanani, now face never payment your buffy, never far a fin sem no sooner. Only for the fin sem never brown, and copy as anti to the repayment so. If you are manania, you have a banner abaji, a fin sem no so. If you want to make out say no shade you made a live on Facebook. Accra Live, make out so call Facebook. Na wako search Accra Live tieni o Accra Live na wa like page na share na fa comment na fa bra adwenche bi awo erefa ena dwumedie no awo pama so nsem ya de ebrel edi amete so ne nana kwame ampon sedi ekopon this year na ene me kai say our topic for the day no senior onim no the return of the English Premier League South say the return of the English Premier League ye ba be transit ni apensen nsemu ɛna games no mienu atodwa ɛna ebi beto aso ana afei so ye ba be hye after the resumption of the Spanish Premier La Liga no ye ba be transit uhu ni sen ya bought 2 games wadwenkyerɛ ɛwɔ so no ɛtesen ɛna no ye betena ase na afei so no ya hye saa eniama mienu nyina na wode wadwenkyerɛ so ɛde aba na me ka say ne ye question of the day so that ye question of the day no ɛyɛ emrantie mienu me kyerɛ say me bisa say omumu hwan ana sɛ woyɛ player ana woyɛ coach a obeyi emu baako na obegyina mfimfini no adane na ho akyekyɛ passes abɔ shot ama assist no omumu hwan ana obechusi abrantie friend Steven Gerrard ana afei so no Frank Lampard saa mmerantie mienu sɛ woyɛ coach a omumu hwan ana obechusi na gyina number 8 position no ɛwɔ team mu enti no for comment ɛfa bra me ka obi mu kɔ Facebook Accra Live kɔna kɔ like page no na share na afei so fa wadwenkyerɛ ɛfa bra ɛpepa mu no yɛbɛgye penie na afei so no yɛkenkan ɛde ama wo na meka wo sɛ adwumakuo bi adaroma ane yɛde saa adwumadie yi ɛbrɛ wo meka wo sɛ TY Barbering Saloon ɔbɛda anɔpɛ yi ɔmaso yɛ ase a yɛde Accra Live Sports Update no ɛbrɛ wo na wopɛ TY Barbering Saloon a ɛne na ɔmo wɔ kɔpɔ no akuapem obi wɔ kɔpɔ no akuapem pɛ wobisa TY Barbering Shop a wobɛnya akyi akwan na agya wakɔ youth kama mmerante no wɔ hɔ no ɔmo saa no ɛyɛ fɛ sate aseɛ ana mmabaa no so de wɔn bɛsrɛ akyerɛ ɔno ma wɔ kame o nsuo bi a ɔma ma na ne nyinaa so no ayɛ bɔkɔɔ ɛwɔ TY Barbering Shop ne ne no mefie a mebɔ awura mu wɔ kɔso ase me ti no mahu sɛ afu bɛbɔ awura mu wɔ na ɔmo atwa me kama ɛno nso ɛne deɛ ɛkɔ ne ne ɛba no afei so Sunday's collection wɔahwɛ atadeɛ kama mehyɛ yɛ ne no ɔmo na mahyɛ atadeɛ a ɛne no yɛde ɛyɛ Accra Live Sports Update no so no ɛbrɛ na Sunday's collection no wobɛtumi afrɛ no wɔ amatorofoɔ yi so 0545 780870 0545 780870 no akɔpɛ atadeɛ kama mehyɛ yi bi na ɔnso no ho ayɛ fɛ na ho asisi wɔ sie ɛwɔ hɔ no na mame nto nkyia mfama na me boss Nana Akufu na dodo na afrɛ no Gaddafi so that Nana Akufu Gaddafi anɔpɛ mekyia na afei nso no Francis Edupoku Poka anɔpɛ mekyia na mekyia the members of the Sailors Group Sailors mmerante ne mmabawa ne nyana anɔpɛ no mekyia obi bia ɛwɔ hɔ no na ne kwakwa mu no mame nto nkyia mfama Big Afro anɔpɛ yi no chairman mekyia Big Afro anɔpɛ mekyia ɛwɔ hɔ no na yɛhyɛ nsɛm no aseɛ no yɛni kan kɔ amanane ɛno ada no the English Premier League no return here na games no dodo na etodwa ɛno mienu etodwa Aston Villa ɛne bo kɔ friend Sheffield United ɛde boy ni na kinsi no kɔ na ewie ne 0-0 obia entimi afɔ ball Antonio Nyonko atena musanso na Manchester City ɛtena Etihad Sports Stadium supporters bia entimi ankopie mu hɔnom na mu Manchester City actually Arsenal the Gunners ɛne no Mikel Arteta ne no Mrantie no after some more returning back into the English Premier League no niama ankoye Arsenal ɛtena hɔ edi ncho akapɔre miɛnsa ɔmo entimi ante Raheem Sterling Kevin De Bruyne DKB no ɛhyɛ goal na afei nso no ɛyɛ Phil Foden ɛnya the last goal and the third goal no ɛde ma ayɛ Manchester City a yɛde ma yɛtiefo ne nkopie wɔ German Bundesliga no so no matches no dodoa etudwa ɛwɔ hɔnom Eintracht Frankfurt ɛsɛ mienu Schalke 04 ɛte mu baako Augsburg nso no ɛhyɛ baako ana afei nso Hoffenheim ɛhyɛ miɛnsa ɛwɔ hɔnom afei nso Bayern 04 Leverkusen ɛkɔkye bobo kɔ friend FC Cologne ɛbɔ ne kapɔrepɔre miɛnsa mane te mu baako ɛwɔ na Brantier friend no Steve Bender ɛhyɛ goal na friends no Kai Havertz King Kai the man on form no ɛhyɛ goal na friends no kurakura mu no ɛyɛ Mamadou Diaby no ɔno nso no ɛhyɛ goal ɛde ma bobo kɔ friend Bayern 04 Leverkusen Dortmund ɛtena Signal Iduna Park ɛdi ncho ɛka pɔrepɔre mienu ɔmo ntimante Mainz 04 ɛna ɛkɔhyɛ wɔn saa goals no mienu ɔmo ntimi antena face RB Leipzig and Fortuna Düsseldorf no about 2-2 the German Bundesliga na Yerima Yetifo na Krakramuno the Spanish Premier La Liga Santander no and matches me asa etoja Atletico Bilbao and Bobo Crefet Eba na disi ani akenti en kwa na wie no 2-2 ana ekopiem was Arsenal Real Valladolid etina fie and Celta de Vigo so no about 0-0 ewo hono na Osasuna etina fie ama Bobo Crefet Atletico de Madrid Diego Simeone Mrantie no akwachi ombo me kapori enum omentimi entimada raka Brante fan João Felix ese 2 goals Samsung Brante fan Marcos Llorente ese goal na face no Alvaro Morata onoso enya the 5th goal and the man Atletico de Madrid yeri ma yetifo Accra Live Sports update no so na ne ko piemu our the Italian and as the Italy mountain so I know that one big game equal so the Coppa Italia grand finale no etoja our Italy mountain so Bobo friend SSC Napoli actually and Bobo friend Juventus the old ladies no and the boy na can't say the corner here no 0-0 and the soldier the moment the penalties as share so ato preko no Bobo friend Napoli actually Bobo friend no Juventus ebo makami enu and a second 9 momuti mumienu na emrate na mo say penalties e ma Juventus na Brante friend Paulo Ezequiel Bruno Dybala o say no ana face no a Brante friend Danilo no so no I say penalties no e ma Juventus ntin nkwanfa no Napoli aya Brante friend Gennaro Gattuso after 27 games no watumi awini the Coppa Italia no e ma Bobo kwa your friend no Napoli na after that game no ana coach your friend Maurizio Sarri e Instema tuja Maurizio Sarri chirema and I give no and your tactical error. Nemo Niama and Ankoye and Fama Bobo Kwa, your friend, Juventus, and then in summer, Maurizio Sarri or your head coach, Edema, Juventus, no, on also area to Jana Yemfi, a Coppa Italia, Musen Sem, Neme Piemu, our France, Paris Saint Germain, and then Omokasa, over the summer to just say, and then a Brante friend, goalkeeper friend, Massim Bukano, a year or the summer to just a Brante Angel Di Mariano. Some more camper on best of better Manchester United didn't something I said a Brante friend Angel Di Maria and Paris Saint Germain. I said Manchester United little Bobo catches or time oh we are seeing and then some goalkeeper and my Paris Saint Germain your friend a Massim Bukano and also area to Jana Cristiano Ronaldo and also the summer to just say and after the defeat when Timanda Ronaldo Chilem said Adiana ya esan said ni life muno and I said the history muno or more final be about me elusu home then Adano Mulusu to Napoli and a Coppa Italia final so no a sino ayen so dimo yaw e wo hon mani Cristiano Alvaro aye Ronaldo no so no eri atuja wo na yeri mai te na Jamie Carragher and so na former defender and ma Liverpool and a brand and can so o chirem say a brand friend David Luiz no o chirem wasa Jamie Carragher just David Luiz asa ezan said what the ball a game to start Manchester United and as a Manchester City game and rather just 25 minutes no o commit error and I feel so no o commit penalty alongside red card into a chilema a Brante friend David Luiz formerly of Chelsea Paris Saint Germain no a Brante no Jamie Carragher and then some to just David Luiz in the wasa is asa for Mpebo Boku binaja omo fa no come no mo J Queens and then some Jamie Carragher on so a former player and my Liverpool no or the Atujana Brante friend no Pierre-Emerick Francois Emiliano Aubameyang estiaka and my Arsenal the Gunners they Arsenal penny for kasa omo chirem say just say omo da omo ntumi nda adwendwen kwa na so nwa isa ne say omo suro say David no a Brante friend Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang no ebepu na ketem e dey fi Arsenal ko pie mu obo ko obo mtene no omo yes say prepare mo betumanya contract extension area ma a Brante friend no aye Aubameyang and then sama yes no yeri ma eti for ne fi England ne ko pie mo Italy bia mu coach Adema Juventus a bra papa friend Mauricio Sarri sign kasa o chirem say anu ada no obebo Napoli for abaso isa ne say omo ma masa omo besegu omo ba so be defend 11 man a team no omo de omo nya be gina pole ma e defend ne nkwa ana Napoli mrafia no e be defend and then asese ma papa friend Mauricio Sarri former Napoli coach ana ene no Juventus coach no ono so no e de atuja wo na assistant kakra woman say Mauricio Sarri bra won Napoli no want me win trophy and of film be pm Juventus and they were pm Juventus the former club Napoli no and they have a chance no our finals amanachi the Coppa Italia no and then in some kakra star the my team for na Bruno Fernandes so the midfielder ente bia no bu na ketin e fi Sporting is when they pm Manchester United then they akoda na kasa or they just say the day sa Brante fan Paul abi Pogba no the one na o sa me be giremu esi aka elema Manchester United and then in some Bruno Fernandes so they to no they just say ono no onim say Pogba ebe bo Manchester United ye panta manfo efa Bible any odo and support Paul Billy Pogba and then some Bruno Fernandes and Manchester United and also no Eddie Atujana Pep Guardiola na ka say on some to just say eno ada no akoda keto efen Garcia Javi Garcia osina ka Manchester City a oye defender no arewsem akoda ntu ko pry eno ada against Arsenal no or we no speedy recovery and then some Pep Guardiola so no Eddie Atujana nyo no kwa goalkeeper Edison Morales so no and then some to just one set so wa ko pry on an quality Garcia Miteneno, and also now we say Garcia, a speedy recovery, and then some Manchester City players, and head coach, and also Atujana Joao Carrado, as a player of Sinakai, and Juventus, or then someone to just say, and now Copa Italia and airports, Juventus, they were lacking fitness, such as an official skills, ability in front of their goal, and then a branch of friend Joao Carrado, or then someone to just say fitness. And I enter and Fama Bobukwa, your friend Juventus, the old ladies of Italy football, and also no, you're to your Arsenal boss, and Mikel Arteta. And then Arteta, then some else to just say, Onimdieti, and I don't know, one far a branch of friend Messi Tozo, and Jeremy Saka from Arsenal, and you be so a brand name, a tactical reason, such as a son of Papa actually, or say a tactical reason, and in a one far branch of friend Messi Ozo, and no, and Jeremy and Saka and from Arsenal, and then some or the Atuja. I hope you let's go to Madrid. Papa, that's a goalkeeper that post him and the man with Jan Oblak. And then goalkeeper no why a record such as we're making history. Atletico de Madrid. We're making 200 appearances and the Atletico Madrid. One ball again, 100 clean sheets. Such as said, out of 200 games our ball and the Atletico Madrid, we're making 100 clean sheets. And then recorder and also no Jan Oblak or a goalkeeper. Edema Atletico de Madrid, and also no Aya Yedema Ytifo and outside defender, your friend David Luiz, or say and then or that story, our man is also or Pacho or Arsenal supporters still. I technical team players in here say, I'm find the ball in channel, one set up, so back no committee, and such errors in such a game. And then some David Luiz, a Arsenal defender, no. And also no area to Jana could be over anti Wanderers. I'm a striker mapa or sign Mexico ni your friend Raul Jimenez. And then Akadane Casa or see when we say Manchester United, Manchester City, and our friends on Bobo go to Real Madrid, when you money in the tea. I don't know about the Bono, I'm an Akijano, I'm an SCA ye, and I'm over anti Wanderers. And about David Ebino, a bit of a big offer our Europa, a bit of a good Jemu, SCA, and then some Raul Jimenez, and also no area to Jana Barcelona, captain, Leonardo Andre Messi. And then Messi Casa or say Enchebiano or be renewing a contract a 2023 a 3 years contract extension or be signing Ediama FC Barcelona and then in summer Lionel Messi so Edia to John address Mertens no a winger papa Edema Napoli and then a branch in Casa or John say and a couple of and any day so I'm supposed to make PMO our Napoli no what to win trophy Ediama SSC Napoli address Mertens no and also Edia to John Manchester United player and in Apollo Edema Inter Milan Alexis Sanchez El Nino Maravilla and then Kodana Casa or say over Manchester United and then they study who has to win trophy over see I can ye Edema Manchester United now so any prayer at the crab brantena na ni study who no entimi ambema man no sinakan Edema Inter Milan no just say David no obetuma reviving a career in Manchester United and also meeting make history Edema Manchester United Bobo Kona and then some Alexis Sanchez and so no Eddie Atuja Yedema Tifo and any incredible about Chelsea Liverpool and the Napoli defender your friend Kalidou Koulibaly atia David no 70 million pounds no on betebiri akopiemu ewo Napoli aka Serie B almost no ebetimi assign abante no na begiremu Edema Liverpool Bobo no na yefi Premier League and as league no sensem no yengo piemu the UEFA Champions League and then incra ebo ba fee UEFA so ye Chelsea August no on betimi resume the UEFA Champions League na data in 24 no ade atuja the 7th of August no in 24 HM so betimi resume the UEFA Champions League and also no and then say UEFA abante and as papa a friend suffering no and also no area atuja Yerima Etifo na Pep Guardiola so then sama to just say any day seminar da no omutimi che Arsenal the Gunners in kwara no e ball me come inside omantumi anti na ni study and you meet close the gap between Liverpool and our friends from Manchester City and then some papa no so no area to Valencia boss papa from Albert Celedis or then some to just a defender your friend Google my no the be no be so akosan no e de na fi e Celta de Vigo na be pie El Valencia akatia and also no ye de my tifo na Raheem Sterling so no e de some to just say Manchester City players no and obi a ho ye Celta say obi a ho ye na enu ade ba ko a Manchester City and Arsenal game e pie no e ye nde is on best start game no obi a de no kotoje esi form e ko kotoje anim e de nsa e kire so e kire say Black Lives Matter no and you know almost support it so I say racism across football and I say we are suffering na eye nipa kokko ne eye nipa tuntum no and you know Raheem Sterling Manchester City and Arsenal players no omo nyina kire say ensem fata say racism because we are say emu ante you know Black Lives Matter no and then Raheem Sterling say o support it saa djumedie no e ho na krakra mu no yemfa mana ne nsem nsi na emepie mu e wo fi nsem no Arsenal boss aye friend Mikel Arteta na edin nsem etu just say abranti friend David Luiz no or na phone so ache no ni nyina eka game no so I say ope tactical errors eka games no e wo hon ma eno so no Mikel Arteta nsem or the atuja na Timo Werner say play osina kan erema Leipzig or then some to just say ono na no otiti o ono otiti say Chelsea for epem na emu wa ekra no say Chelsea for the offer back na ye na Leipzig for pay for G2 only the only option oba ko pie mu na we see akan erema Chelsea the Blues and then some Timo Werner and so no the atuja yerema etie for na ye ka Timo Werner hu sensem akwa ko pie mu e Chelsea no abrante wedi kan assign pre-contract no erema Chelsea Hakim Ziyech osina kan erema Ajax and then the player na den sema to just say na maame anu tu nifo so nko pie mu e Chelsea the Blues ntene no o da sira kase ebe ma ne maame e wo no ase otumi tu nifo ye ma no ebe pie mu e Chelsea the Blues and then sema Hakim Ziyech no enso no ere atudwa yere ma yetie forward Acro Live Sports update so aha ana brebe ma nkwan ma yere djumedie no amana nsem no tew yere asi yedane ye ho abasima ye ba eye efisem local sports tidbit no and e wonim say coach Kwesi Appiah something say the sika ho sensem no just say akoye daire on GFA Ghana Football Association omo twen nti no Krobia Asante etena se a ode eye local tidbit no aba betena se na fin so no ode amayeti for Acro Sports update no so me amede amana ne nsem na bre no mediane na nakwa me amponsa edi ekoponde sia ba ko yedane ye mo aba twen sisi a
Yama etiefo akwaba SNBO ereba Acro Live Sports so sabri efie sem ana Krobia Asante mede ebremo ewo Acro Live so sabri no ubetumi e de comment no aba senia Nana Kwame Amponsa edi or the foreign date no ebremo no okan no pepepe wo de comment ebeto Frankie de Lampard mana ana wo hihye wutim pa wo de no ebeto mu sa player no se say wo mu position no mana pa na wo de beto midfield wo in terms of passes goals bibia no wo de comment ebeba ho ejiri no ye wie ye de fietiam ne banner discussion ne chance a ye de ebebrem ho yembo nrem ne yemfa insem no enchance a ye be dan ye ni akere glorious impressive Accra has phobia or never see that until the bones are fully rotten yemfa ye ni kire Accra has goalkeeper ye friend no Richmond Ahi who say Richmond Ahi no ono ana na oda ponu mu edema glorious Accra has na enum no ana abrante a wo friend Richard Atamo wo mo ekofa ne bae abrante no bae no wabe bench Richmond Ahi as say Richmond Ahi no etumi enda bo mu emfama glorious Accra so give eno ana Richmond Ahi dey to go say otete say amafo bi say Richmond atano na beyi no atena bench wo ho no ana say enu nsem biara enim wo ho na abrante no ama the competition no so oni de oni obiara any competition e wo glorious Accra so go na wo ho egbo eduma ehwe say coach no ne modembo eso coach ni a obema no match playing time no no so etumi showcase in the talent ɛwɔ hɔ nom ɛde akyerɛ yɛnsan ɛnkɔ nsɛm foforɔ mu no abrante a yɛfrɛ no Olele Kingston Ghana legend baako pɛ goalkeeper kejuwa baako ɔde nsɛm atuga sɛ 2010 AFCON a wɔn ɛkɔbɔɔyɛ no na yɛ ways and means ɛnɛma a Egypt etumi gye saa trophy no because wohwɛ a ɔso dae krampo sɛ ɔso dae no na ɔda ne bed so na ɔda no ohun sɛ table bi esi hɔ a na cap esi so ana abrante Egypt abrante a na yɛfrɛ no Hassan no ɔno nso egyina cap no ho ana ɔno ɛda ne bed so ana coach referee baako nso egyina hɔ nti ɛnum na referee no bae no ana referee no ka kyerɛ wɔn sɛ ɔbaako ɛmfa cap no ana ɔyɛ sɛ Hassan Enfa ana Hassan so kache nso ofa nti wo mu gina ho ana wo mu ye take oyisifa ana Hassan Enfa nti going to the final no na ono de onim se trophy no pa de enya ade a Ghana ebetumi age na emom no no owogidi se final ne de wo mu beko akobọ but trophy no 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 enyame eyi atre ni nyame a osom no eyi atre ne se there's nowhere trophy no omo betumi akọje ewo ho na eno ene nsem a Olele Kingston enso ede atuga abre papa a ye friend no Honorable Kennedy in Japan nze onu bebi a oho uba football mu a oho ko amanyo se mu a oho ukọ asofu se oni asofu ana esi ni ye papa eno ana papa ye friend no Kennedy in Japan asin central MP no ode atuga se Ghana nsɛmkyerɛfoɔ a yɛwɔ ɔman yi mu ha no yɛmmɔ yɛn egudie ne ho nsamran bebree te sɛ sɛdeɛ sɛ yɛbɔ wobɛti Liverpool ana de bia Man U ana de bia asimesi no fan a yɛfa so ɛyɛ no nsɔ Ghana egudie ni nti yɛ kan pa ana Ghana football nso yɛn asɛ no nsɛmkyerɛfoɔ ɛwɔ Ghana ɛkan pa no yɛn asɛ Ghana football ɛno ne nsɛm a Honorable Kennedy Ejapon asin central MP ɔno nso ɛde atuga na asɛm rɛwo sɛm baako a atuga ɛyɛ Ghana ni abranteɛ baako a yɛfrɛ no Adum Ibrahim ɛkɔ sign contract ɛde ma Homebrew ɛwɔ Denmark last year from Accra Sporting Club ɛwɔ Ghana ha na ɔkɔ January ya anɔkɔ ya abrante no ntwa afekrampo abrante no nsɛm a ɛbobɔ ba ne sɛ abrante no atumi akɔtɔ puru mu a abrante no ewu ahwere ne nkwa ɛwɔ hɔ papa yɛde ɔyaw ne ade ɛsrɛ adɔfo sɛ obi biara ɛnka ne koma ɛntu ne yam ɛwɔ hɔ saa nso na yɛde yɛngani ɛkyerɛ Golden Boy Award a wɔn ɛyɛ no Ghana ni abrante baako ate ɔman Ghana enim abrante a yɛfrɛ no Mohammed Kudus no 100 release a ɛban no nominees ɛban sɛ Ghana ni abrante Mohammed Kudus no wetumi emeki saa 100 na ɔne the likes of Jadon Sancho Vinicius Junior no ɛna compete for that we no wɔ hɔ no award no wɔ hɔ a abrante no ate ɔman Ghana enim yie papaapa nti yɛmmɔ no abaso ɛwɔ hɔ no mo Krobia Kumase Asante Kotoko legend baako pɛ a yɛfrɛ no coach Kwesi Apia Mayele former Ghana Black Stars legend Edema Krobia Kumase Asante Kotoko oji Premier League no mpenson ana 83 Champions League Kotoko no so otumi EGB ɛwɔ hɔ no ma papa no ɛse ɔnenam na ɔtete sɛ wɔse Kotoko Sporting Director no ɔmra na ɔmɛfa edwuma no ɛno na papa coach Mayele ade abetuga sɛ ɔno de ɔndan so dai sɔka akɔyɛ edwuma biara ɛwɔ Kotoko anase saa ro no a wɔn mo ka no Sporting Director no ɔno de ɔnka biara nti bebi a wɔbɛte saa asɛm no ɛyɛ rudurada asɛm yɛgyina Kwesi Apia ho asɛm na no Kwesi Apia ɛde atuga sɛ sese no wiase ni obi ase Black Lives Matter nti sɛ Black Lives Matter dia sese no ɔfa Ghana fo kyɛw sɛnea Ghana fo ɛde tete wɔ aborɔfo coaches no wɔn fa saa tete blacks no wɔn a wɔn game because Ghana ɛde ne ka since August 2019 11 months ni Ghana ɛde ne ka wɔn ntumi ntua yɛ ministry no ena etua ukwa ministry with the ministry netua ukwa we say efe netua nti sia no there's no way Ghana efe ebetumi ade obronika beye 11 months no ontua ye nti say this year yes a Black Lives Matter dia ene won hwe na se na wode tete abrofo no won fa saara pepepe so entete won yemko insef from ne fa ye ni enkyere Ghana Premier League ni ma ene nsem a say beye over the weekend no akoso aye weed aye friend we no ana Ghana ha no say no coach aye friend no coach J Sapon e bia to go say 60% from Division 1 Ebeka Premiership ni mun players no enu weed sa weed di eho ana abrante aye friend Yaya Mohammed Momo Yaya Ebiana Stars player no front liner no odi abetu ga say papa na nsem a waka no de eye corporate entities na omo pamo efi league ni mu because so be eba be support o league now ka che ni say weed ana players no ade enu mu dia there's no word in this kaba be shemti papa no embra bonten na omra na omepa chew ewo ho eno ana ko Jay Zapon asan abe reply say kyɛw papa de there's no way a ɔbɛba kyɛw ɛde ɛnɛ anaasɛ ɔkyena because we need ɔno no wɔ evidence ɛwɔ ne phone so bebree a ɛkyerɛ sɛ Ghana players no 60% ɛnum weed na yɛmfa yɛn ani ɛnkyerɛ Ghana players a wɔn bɔ wɔn mmɔden nso ɛwɔ amanɔne over the week no nso no Kofi Edu ɛne Ebenezer Ofori nso esi akan ɛde ma AIK ɛwɔ bere a Nokopin ɛkɔtwa wɔn ɛka 9 ɛwɔ wɔn a wɔn fie a wɔn team mu ɛka baako saa nso ana Thomas Partey ɔno nso ɛyere ne ho ɛboa Atletico de Madrid ama ɛhɔ nso no Atletico Madrid etumi wini ɛka no enum a Osasuna entumi anti bi yɛmfa nsɛm no enwie no ɛyɛ Jordan Ayew nso ɛde atuga sɛ ayɛ ne de yie papaapa sɛ Premiership no aba back na ɔhwɛ ekyiri ɔhwɛ paa sɛ ne form ana ɔwɔ before ansa na COVID yi ɛba betwe mu a wɔn akɔ break no ɔhwɛ sɛ wɔn ba bɛ resume a wɔwɔ bɛbɛ yi no weekend yi no ɔbɛto atena na we maintain ne form no pɛpɛɛpɛ na aha ana ɛbrɛ bɛma no kwan ma me de efie nsɛm no esi yɛtwa yɛn ho aba yɛba discussion segment no ɛbɛkɔ so me a me de efie nsɛm no ɛbrɛ mu no me din a me di so ɛne Probia Asante.
Alright, you ever met for you na kwa babiem e dey aba Akro Live Sports update no so and I pay asinkonya e discussion segment no e dey ebro me kai obi say din a me amete so no ene Nana Kwame Amponsa agi Probia Asante yema na move o dey finsem no e dey abro na baby e me dey ye pa no e wi asem so what you say wi asem na e coach JE Sapon e dey etu ya no coach and to be frank with you, some now kind of me personally, my opinion, I made it to Jano. I didn't say only players, end in the year. Only players, end in the year. It's coach, I be permanent, maybe put two now, but now, what a chair sign, such as a chair for beer, and you will be but you sign up a players in each other. Because only any, so your coach, I say, it's an David, I go catch players and no winning at the coach TV. Last time you player abuse ko say you send out can go no we no ball abura enye ode south as it in coach message on my personal opinion nka be twe sansem we sign na ye nyina be boa na face the Ghana Premier League na ye penny ni nkoso no yetimi enya e wo hono and you know you have discussions and so send am to bia no the English Premier League no are returning and now 2 games that told you Aston Villa and Sheffield United about 0-0 Samson and Manchester City actually Arsenal and the Gunners ebo me kamiensa o ma ntumi ante abrantie friend no Raheem Sterling na share goal Calvin De Bruyne na afin so na abrantie friend Phil Foden on the pamiensa na share goals no e ma Manchester City and then in the Spanish La Liga no Real Madrid etina fie atonsa e dey friend Valencia e dey say akan so na that channel in the EPL no Manchester United and Tottenham Hotspur e dey bebo so e wo no every pem no e beba na be fa discussions no e wo ha no na me ka obiem say the question of the day Steven Gerrard and our face Frank James Lampard on any day so your coach players you why not be choosing heading on number 8 position on check passes on more shots on more assists players you why not be choosing now be Jinemu Esiakai Eddie Amao as a coach Frank Lampard and our face Steven Gerrard for our if I bra go Facebook now type it Akro Live well I keep page now share na fa comment e fa bra e be pem no e be kenkan comment no e de amount e biem na me ka say TY Barbering Shop ana no pay no almost so yasin me de jumedi e bro TY Barbering Shop no e we kopo na piapem du e kopo na kakra be du anivie no no bisa TY Barbering Shop e be kira o e wo no akona akọ youth kama na onso no watime look decent any handsome me ka cho say we be ma dia e say obi e wa bodwe na wagya no see it to be shape ni ye na wonim eda ho ye se na ma no hu a so te ade ye be frefre ma do wo kunu na also no ti etuma ye kese e wo ho no to do TY Barbering Shop a bo we mo ho na e mate no ho kama e be twawo so na maba wa no ure mu na no e be wo kamel e ma wonsuo o pe drink bi a e de ama wo na yasre e de a kyerewo na afi so no etuma ye fe ana ne kura mu no Sunday's collection o share ba fere kama e se mi na Sunday's collection adaroma omo no etima hyɛ me atare a ene emeti edwam ade dwumadi no ebro Sunday's collection so no awo ekropo on piapem ɛwɔ hɔ nom a wopɛ atare yi bi a wobɛtumi afrɛ no ɛwɔ 0545 780870 0545 780870 na ma wo nsa ɛnka atare yi kamakama wɔ hɔ a anɔpɛ yi no ɔma so yɛasen mɛde the sports update no ɛbrɛ wo ɛwɔ Akro Live so na mɛka wo sɛ ɛda kyena no games no bi yɛbɛto dwa ɛwɔ English Premier League no mu mɛmɛne da ebi bɛkɔ so kwasiada ebi bɛkɔ so na interesting thing ne sɛ ɛne no mpanyinfoɔ of the English FA no ne nsɛm ato dwa sɛ games no mɛbɔ no so that I say 2 days intervals nti ɛne wo yɛ team na wabɔ na ebi a kwasiada wobɛtumi abɔ na Branda ana Wukwada nso no watumi abɛbɔ ɛwɔ hɔ no nti ɛne Chelsea bɛbɔ mɛmɛne da ɛwɔ hɔ no nti ɛne Chelsea bu mɛmɛne da bi a sɛ Joada anaasɛ Branda no ɔmbɛsi akan nti na ɛne ne nhyehyɛeɛ a mpanyinfoɔ ɛde ato dwa saa nso na UEFA foɔ ɛde abɛto dwa sɛ on the 7th of August the UEFA Champions League no ɛbɛtumi resume ɛwɔ Europe so yɛ team Manchester United deɛ wɔn afi mu Manchester City, Real Madrid, FC Barcelona, Napoli, Paris Saint-Germain wɔn nyinaa no ɛwɔ mu a Juventus ne adeɛ nso no etuatua Atletico de Madrid mu nyinaa ɛwɔ mu a na UEFA Champions League no on the 7th of August 2020 no ɛbɛ return ɛne ne nsɛm a ɛyɛ Alexander Ceferin ɛyɛ president ɛde ma UEFA no ɔno nso no ɛde ato dwa yɛde ɛma wo na yɛmbra nneɛma discussions no ebi mu ɛwɔ hɔ no kɔbea akɔaba anɔpɛ
yi nyame adom
bibi abɔkɔ
divine selection
bibi aka ɔn
bia
okay na oyɛ no yɛ ana ɔmo ayɛ
mane deɛ dabi nyawore time nyanso kra
otwɛn
time nyanso ɛyɛ nyɛ nneɛma yi hwi o
saa
ofi adi ɛnyɛ bi yɛ kene Japan se fi na 8% abrabɔ no no atwa mu 8%
kene Japan nia owo nyina ne abrabɔ ɔmo 8% media calculation per kene Japan abrabɔ abo mu 8% yɛ ɔsɛ ne ɔmo nya 8% na me de toto me a meti ha yi ho a media calculation na me sɛ me nam 0.0000.01 so that say 9% ano ɔno no wɔ ɔyɛ mpio me yɛ nya nto me so aba but me yɛ to aba sisi aka na be din sɛ me nya tu so me no to aba no but be din ha sɛ kan no ɔyɛ mpio no ɛne wo hwɛ company so wɔ na abrabo papa ɔbɔ a na ɛgya ɔde tutu sɛ 8% no okay
because ono so wo mo ade ne ho tutu wo so ono ne board the gate no mu di ade nti ono no hwɛ wo standard na ono no so de compare ne standard a o kira ife na wetwe mu 8%.
O de India can say man na ono no wa me na
what is them tira for the young yes Ghana egudie no
sa na so no anim say football people no ene no politicians do mo nwura football no so that say because obetima nya certain ministers about way back in 2015 na minister abetena se diska na aban akova no ya ntwe na so it is a minister diska na aban ntwe na so a ede na football administrators ene ya incentive for year say football ono ne de obega na se bia ye amana ne sports ne da local
eno na oka
ba ye kire se ukọ England and Spain government no e diska ewura football mu o de wura FA ni mu so that say nti ene no ye hwe aban kra ye budget over the years ohun football ye budget ohun bibia audition nti ontumi kan nadaroma onja football ma football for ye na ye say na omo so na omo daroma omo so na ye say na kakra ko ka 2014 World Cup ye top table iska go play mu ko ma ankrofo Brazil ni nyina so ye kind of football na amafo na ye say no ebi ewo ho no so that say nti ene no kere ya ball nadaroma aban no so di no ho team no support ya abeboa was ene omo ye stimulus packages no erema corporate entities any companies me hu say the football force you ya choro football but me hu amount a covid iba ye no government area ma the football fraternity so no ken adaroma minim say onim de ball na won pe o kana say e
ona wo de nempa na ya no di
na yes the birthday no
obo edim o
ona wo fantastic na oya de bi ma ne ye no wa on say kotoko go boko no on say ladies fabulous ladies
yes
now go ko chana de na nkofo be discount so buy see over 60,000 aye dey chana say the birthday gift can say on pe Now say, oh, honorable, Nanka Jimpo na friend. Nanka, oh, Kwame, but did 10 people, 10,000 people.
And you say,
Give me, yes, maybe, yeah, my friend, age, you know. Yes, now
I say,
yes, you were after party, or my you baby.
I say,
but if you have a call, yes, I won't, yeah, now won't you be a.
Oh, India, Coma, Mina, Ama Esidua, Mamma, Ama Esidua, Asante, Janet. Chia and command, Chia some comma, T.Y. Babin Saloon,
yes,
Womana is so young as saying,
yes,
because who food be an obi and Piawan
to me,
into Womana is so young to make a Brema and Nayan for you to me, a Waha, ye camp football, sending a Ghana football, a bay ye, and a mononi and a kick.
Okay, now one year, Madame forget. Yeah, probably Asanson, so Anna or Tenin Cano. Obebano be simple the English Premier League, and no games not to be especially Manchester City and Arsenal game no. But discuss it no what pense in same and so no overall the thoughts on the return of the English Premier League and the Spanish La Liga. In 10 minutes, the Spanish La Liga we are here preview any review and I feel so the English Premier League in 10 minutes on Cambo and I feel so on pa MI Korea in 10 minutes 5 FM.
Oh, La Liga no I shall say last week. Okay, senior scoreline no any idea for ya will be able no more than so far no the battle between the Classicans Real Madrid and Barcelona. Now okay Madrid they winning the first game or boy or 3 Barca so winning the first 2 games Madrid are yet to play their second game and woman Valencia no as I game no agroso because we is here Barca the pressure be at one so Barca it me winning one second game as is no one more day Gabo no atumu ewo nti from Real Madrid say one so ebe catch up no hu hia ema won papa say ne one ne Valencia no one betumi akonjo magic bi na one win no share the likes of Eden Hazard no ne Ramos no former one ba wo season Ramos goals a wa sha enye ahungro so kra ana Hazard so hwa the first game obeboy no compare since o come Madrid na unse we nya we will be a court video by Musha, one year papa ma, no recovery so abaye amana. We have be able to me yes, one more maintain performance. I want the Asia Iba Ewo first match in Mua after La Liga no returning and then one more to me, I will be my one more catching up with Barcelona.
Okay, so with the English Premier League and a big game at Toja, Manchester City and Arsenal 3-0. David Luiz, red card or committee 2 blunders. Quick one on that.
City, as we know, City we know a repetition of scoreline there, Man City for no and Arsenal for no defeat. No, first leg, City to me a share one, a come and sound into me and Timubi, and I am brown so acquire 3-0, 3-0, and no, you can say Arsenal today, tomorrow, and forever because they are any ones. Okay, Arsenal, Magia, you go me, there's nowhere now Arsenal. Former City you cry before I caught with the year ban. There's no way now HSA Arsenal able to me Asha woman. And I will share City former woman prayer, na bibia a favor. Before say one match on trainer or the down, na bibia favor City say this game was woman to me winning. But the only way now how Capani here caught with me to young could break up will be a first match and I say hey I know the one here a bit to me at Yafasoba. And Tiampaso, I'm a good said he say a real pepe, City, it to me, we need him no and also a bebo. Now, David Luiz, David Luiz, a call Arsenal, who's our committee for blunders are Nina ready to goes and a record map for 4 against Liverpool, Chelsea, Watford, no to me, Sadena, Amboa, Anna, and Brown, or yet as an City view. To share no one sema Banodia. The contract is will next week go. The contract will into this year no up to Mikel Arteta say obey hiano e wo ni team ni mu ana dey say o hwe Pablo Mari obey ya no so na ndra wasen yakopra no nti e no na me hu say obema no contract extension na bia season no dey we wie dia e no ye Mikel Arteta ye hwe dia e be wie e wo.
Okay, with David Luiz no Osha the career at Arsenal no abebe here ana
me who say abewie because there's no way season you go to me abewie but there's no way say me Arsenal pa Mikel Arteta to me man because wo player bi William Caliber.
Yes, Caliber.
No sa season yi no ekwe bia wo mo san na wo mo de ma alone e wo anti no season we ekwe bia oba be kind the likes of Pablo Mari no be banti next season ni there player like David Luiz Arsenal it sound maintaining ni dia Arsenal we eduma e
we share Arsenal central defense now the likes of Sokran Mustafi ewo honom Socrates and so ewo ho Abrante Efreno Tierney or left back, but we to ball as a central defender. About 7 Granit Saka and so a defensive midfield by that time, so your Bono, the central, yes, and as if me dropping about the defensive role. So I didn't say, David Luiz, me personally, say David Luiz, if he Arsenal, I don't think say a blow, and
a big blow, yeah, ni subani no man kitingitingi. On the time Lampard there say on kono, bezi yana weja osibo for no debi. Player no style of play. And I won't say anka defenders cry any goalkeepers anka munyi no ne ehunso more some kind of experience be. But David Luiz no say ni game no go sisi ano there enyenyenyenyenye. Onim when and how. Say on go for a ball, on tackle for a ball. Ni bibia say say dia o che ntimi hu say ne ebe boa sisi ya moma ebe boa ateta me ka che ni say one me football no enwin. Unya a certain player like David Luiz or Melford wa obeka season na Gary Cahill e buy no satam na Luiz no ene Don Terry na e Chelsea but Cahill buy na Cahill nso form no plan na no ye den eniti ana sa time nso Luiz no so form no so untumi bench no nti Mourinho no born wo 6 because passes ekoyie ana attack ball sanetini Melford wo no ye duma nti si ana Shaka asa mebra ne ade no Ceballos no manfa nti si ana obetumi abọ Guendouzi no ana Ceballos ne David Luiz no ebetumi eno no betumi aboa no ewo mfimfini o dan say center back eno no bibi o yesisi obenya mfa so bi ewo David Luiz so.
Okay, my enko Facebook na yenkofa ogin check akra na watumi ede aba ewo honom na Sena Pamela enso ede ne dia aba amze odifi UK Pamela ede aba on dey sembo ana order to obon nsem dey say sembo no so ede ba na Nazareth Bariba Edmond Williams also actual say I will choose Steven Gerrard or choose Lampard and Steven Gerrard in there which you see Abrante friend Steven Gerrard Samsona Bright Epson and so ede ne dia ba also say I will choose Steven Gerrard ewo honom and I feel so Bright Epson corner sign and also ede aseda and I say obo eyekrobia something so no abaso ewo honom Samsona Shatta Chanugu and so ede about say keep the good work done bro and also ne dia ode aba ewo honom na okay prepare no comment no betimi area ba make I use Frank Lampard and Steven Gerrard on any given day why na obechusi no ewo honom a eno so no yedi MI yeti for na ehun say ebre no ko but mama makrobia simamiensa coach Mayele Kwesi Apia ne sika won sensem no aye bibia wo ho so say ene on Ghana Football Association entokwa omo twe we si minibi twan ye betua ene ochena ni nyina ye sensem a emboa eye the FA cat years okweku yinya yenim say before oba be the FA president no he knew say oba e ka wo ha ye so tua and after still winning elections no oba the FA president no he knew say FA no e de Kwesi Apia ka ye so mutua and she say be na empanifo eye e ma Kwesi Apia ni sika ho sensem no na eni wi ase e koso no e fata Ghana FA na senior coach Kwesi Apia ensem okan no mempese meka ne nsem okan no mempese me coach cause yenya enemy I see it to be something racism no e koso e won cause we share the comment a coach no e make here enye very very pleasant enye de so all dey no ho be compare obroni say obroni ana 11 months in tia na kebe ne da na cause yenya fight against racism the coach Kwesi Apia on that note no on that statement no me condemn that statement but maybe Sakrobia GFA no nsise be na omoye Erifa Kwesi Apia no
Kwesi Apia sika no de say sisia no womo enya idea to go said womo betua na ministry no ana I was saying then into yes sika no nti after say okokasa ni ade say nisika ho nya no efi no etumi ba abonten e de betu go say sika no de den womu nim say womo de ne ka ana Kate enso ebe kan sɛ ɛka de wɔn na even ɛnyɛ kwesi apia nkwa na wɔn yɛ den wɔn de ne ka nti ɛka deɛ ɛwɔ hɔ a wɔn bɛtua ama no information PR abate ɔno nso ɛbɛka asa sɛ ɛka no deɛ ɛwɔ hɔ nti kwesi apia yɛ ntobo ase ana ɛte sɛ because Ghana nso ayɛ den ama no opportunity ama ɔno nso sisi a no wɔ making ne name nti ɛnyɛ saa biri na ɛte sɛ ɔno nso ɛyɛ den ɛde pressure ɛyɛ den ɛto no so because sisi a COVID-19 bi a beebia wiase beebia ɛka ne ade ayɛ den aba ɛne ade but ɔno no nso kyerɛ a ɔne TV Africa interview ɔkɔyɛ nansi anso na ɔreka sɛ ɛyɛ obroni a anka wɔn atua ne ka no nti sese yɛ sɛ Black Lives Matter deɛ ɛwɔ sɛ ɔno nso wɔn ɛyɛ den ntua ne sika ɛma no because ne ayɛ de bɛyɛ obroni saa na ɛte sɛ yɛde yɛ obibini ɛhɔ no deɛ mɛmɛ ne yɛ adwene alright ba ɛte sɛ ɔnyɛ den onya ntobo ase because sisi ano deɛ sika no wɔn akɔnfɛm sɛ wɔn de ka nti ɛno na ɛsɛ wɔn sɛ sika no wɔn bɛtua ba ɔno na ayɛ sɛ sika no
so bi yɛ adwuma ma ɔde so tua
ɛte sɛ wotua ne ka saa ba wɔn sɛ biribi nso etumi si ma onipa no nso ɛna wɔka ma wɔte ase waba abɔnten wabɛka wɔn ate wase ama wɔn akɔnfɛm to the people say wɔn de woka nti wɔn betua ba sisi a situation a yɛ nyinaa yɛ wɔ mu no wɔn ntumi ɛnyɛ den ɛnyɛ wɔn kwan so na wɔn de woka sɛ wagye ase nti sisi a na sɛ after COVID na wɔbɛ tum biribiara ansa ba ɔno no de n'ani
na after COVID na bɛkɔ cause wɔhyɛ the data na yɛ kasi yɛ di COVID akyi anasa after COVID ni betua kwesi apia ka yɛ ntua sɛ ɔte ase ana sɛ na aka yɛ no COVID nti a wɔkyerɛ aba ministry no ho ɛkyerɛ no nti no vice versa kwesi apia so ho ɛkyerɛ no ɛna COVID so ɔte ase nti no ministry na I think say the best way ne sɛ ɔmo ne kwesi ɛntena ase na ɔmo yɛ nhyehyɛ sɛ bi a $250,000 at the moment ebi a yɛbɛnya $80,000 anase $100,000 amount gye na in 3 months time anase biribi no mpanyinfoɔ buying the stimulus packages ba na yɛde bakɔto aban ne ministry anim na ɔno sɛ mmoa kakra ɛwɔ hɔ no ɔde aboa yɛn so after 2 months no yɛn nso no ɛbɛtua wo balance aka ade ama wo wogye di sɛ mpanyinfoɔ yɛ saa deɛ na ɛmboa
one of the mistakes both parties no wɔn yɛ ame nso mene wɔn yɛ den ɛnyɛ adwene no nso no because one kwesi apia no munim no mo wɔ ne contact mo ne na yɛ den mo na mo fa ne dwuma mu nti biribi a wobɛtumi ayɛ den aka no behind closed door ba me hu ne nti a oyi na ɔbɛba a wabɛka o radio so oh kwesi apia sɛ da no ministry yi asɛm ɔbɛka oti wɔn de ne ka wɔn nso wɔn aboa no dabi waboa nipa no bɛyɛ adwuma na ɔyɛ den ɔbɛyɛ ma ha ɛnyɛ ɔno na ɔbɛyɛ apply sɛ momfa Ghana adwuma ma me ɔno na ɛwɔ ne caliber a wobɛtumi ayɛ adwuma na mɔde ama no wayɛ adwuma na ɛsɛ ɔnyɛ den ntua ne ka ba me mɛtumi anka wobɛtumi aka no peacefully ma wokɔ bisa kwesi apia asɛm ɛwɔ radio so TV so koraa ɛnyɛ fei na ɔba bɛka Ghanafo de meka na da bia ɛkɔ akyiri saa sɛ Ghanafo mode mo kɔ kyika ɛnyɛ saa na nkɛ sɛ to kwesi Ghana
nso gidi sɛ mpanyinfoɔ ne kwesi apia ni nie
gidi wɔn mu ne ndi nie sɛnea ɔka no pɛpɛpɛ because obroni ntumi ndi obroni ka 11 months ɛhɔ ne de me ne kwesi apia ɛyɛ adwene gidi wɔn mu ne ndi nie ɛwɔ
okay nti no sɛnea akɔrɔ bi asante ɛka yɛ no ɔdze GFA no ɛne Ministry of Youth and Sports honorable Kwame Esiama kyerɛ sɛ kwesi apia nsɛnsɛm na ɛkɔ no ɛnyɛ sɔɔte adze ɔdaroma honorable mo yɛ nhyehyɛeɛ Kofi Asare bra akɔ abate wɔn a yɛ PR ɛde ma the Ministry of Youth and Sports mɛka yɛ wɔ ɛbrɛ a wɔyɛ nsɛnkyerɛ adwuma sɛnea ɛyɛ yɛ on radio o criticize the previous ministries the previous FAs for nneɛma bi a wɔyɛ a ɛntwa yie these things happen under previous FAs yɛn nyinaa bɛkae coach yɛ friend sɛ Emilio mu nyinaa bɛ pass it through kwesi apia mpo after so returning back again nkwa ne nyinaa so no happen you criticize so as a PRO for the Ministry of Youth and Sports no anka mesrɛ ɔdaroma ɔbɛyi so saa channel ne bi na ɔde aka kakra ma kwesi apia because ɔyɛ coach ɔyɛ den a ɔyɛ national asset he worked for the nation and for the country nti no yɛntumi nka sɛ COVID nti yɛntua ne ka no Ministry of Youth and Sports I hope say workers na ɛwɔ any minister na nka as at now ɔgye pay GF get ES Okreku mogye pay Henry Asante Chum mogye pay such as Prosper Harrisonado Chief Executive Officer ogye pay of GFA
abate yakue ya osum se ana ɔno nso ministry no ɛka ntua ne kan nti ɛhɔ no so in some way no ɛsɛ wɔn ti kwesi apia so ase because mo na mo wɔ sisi ano obi eni wɔ bɛka si na aketua mba
yes
nti saa na nka den nkakra na mo nso mo tumi ɛde etua ma sɛ no de mo tumi ɔyɛ nipa mo ɛnyɛ sɛ mi gye mi sika nti a ni nyinaa na mo kuru ɛde ama mo betumi ne na kan in a nice way a yɛ obi akora re nti wɔ ekyi before I hear better they say what you and Capran boy them every because the moment I would just carry won't mean in any pan say who needs to go or code feeding. Code feeding so and I want to bosom away them who just car. Oh, I don't know say code feeding code feed time get yes we in the car. So
my thoughts on this issue a random story the Benjamin Breni are delving into issues concerning this assembly but get ears of Kreku unim se madam fa no ya kasa yedi nkomo ofun so ne ade kwasi apia mo ba mo hwe the contract mu ye mo no and I said the previous administration contract mo ne sign here mo hwe mu ye contract net sign sikasem et sign and I say one sign contract mo hwe that ba and I be catch them say one sign contract and let's and I said let's educate our people na yen because contract in sense is can no hard because each and every day because you have about out ebe kasa e dey found so get Edwin Simon Okreku adaroma who your football administrator who own team who nim say ya dey coaches ka eti efa and who struggles are coaches so no FM or Ghana ha it must sit down with him alongside the youth and sports minister no na mo tana say na mo put ekwan ya mo be fa so etua kwasi apiaka because papa na yakasa our yori sabi our ma owebusia into no over 11 months no to me nka so untua neka e wo ho no nti mesere mo fa hyehyɛ egu akono so na $250,000 no afi more sponsorship mo hu aban a obetumi aboa mo na wa support mo with this money because ye nya yenim mo ko Brazil scale ko pie mu ni ade ba ye afi no mo tumi nka so mo niska nti no mesere ket mo nya hyehyɛ na afi so mo ntua saska na emfa ntiwase obi akoso no enkwatwe ne atwe nti no Kobia 1 minute Steven Gerrard Frank Lampard one hour
and Frank Lampard still up
we Chelsea ntia
enye me Chelsea ba BBM in terms of even glories personal glories one midfielder enne say you bought a whole entire EPL since EPL started one midfielder even just last year Anna Sergio Aguero 8 goals.
Oh, okay.
A whole midfielder, you bought top 3. Before Aguero, you bought top 3, top 4, top 5, top scorers EPL history. You be win. Frankie James Lampard.
Okay.
Assists, Bibia.
And who share goals?
Me share goals.
Which individual performance?
Individual.
Okay.
Because your performance and a boy out in so money we share premiership. Frank Lampard edge premiership more than 3. Steven Gerrard say nena bia or sambe returning who say Liverpool my then over bad year and they but me kasa from football perspective not as being Chelsea fans.
Okay.
Sana me kasa no but we share abrass at time no even national team no na ngasa no bisa say 8 ho no no ye kwa Gerrard ebo 8 e wo Liverpool saa enso na Lampard nso ebo 8 e wo Chelsea but ye kwa national side a man na ebo 8 no
Okay.
eno so ye one person na e wo ho man na ebo 8 no e wo national team
now eduma no we go for Frank Lampard. Fantastic that was on Bright Easton SID Ababiem was it I think they should know how to deal with Kwesi Appiah because he's a family man and he needs to take care of his family. And also, and Samson and Bright Easton corner and then Bright own say, Unania bro, Kwesi Appiah said seminal because in Chai, Bright Asaniaba also they should stop this COVID issue and pay him of his money. Yes, COVID will be a facing problem, difficulties, but said you, Minister, Ket, FA President, who did he? Kwesi nso no entumi endidi e wo horoma nti ano so ene Bright dey odi efi eye ne commenter odi aba wo hanom na aye Christian nso dey aba also be choose papa e friend Frank James Lampard on any given day e wo honom ebrene ko so say ase ebrene ko my fancy na okay memene da ye hwese memene da ye be hia na afi so ya delve into issues the English Premier League games no and they will be into issues na face no kwasi apia nsensem na ekoso no ya hwe ni atena ase ni aka nti no memene da no do yes 10 the threat na ase na face no ye de dwumadie no ni aka esise ye wo no ye de aba make up Saturday 10 a.m. Accra live be premiere yes ye be ba na face ye de nsensem no e de abroad yam fancy anom ene make out say TY Barber Shop omo sponsor omo so yasin manage media no ebro Sansona Sunday's collection yes Sunday's collection omo na omo share matade ma ye de dwumadie no ebro e wo no hwe atare kama ya Sunday's collection Sandra e wo perform with me a friend no 0545 780870 0545 780870 e wo honom omo ne eye dwumadie a omo no so ma share matade kama ana afenzo nse oya ankrankre ana oya company na pese obe support yen individual o sponsor dwumadi ya obetimi aba akopon na afenzo waso yasin ana so obetimi afre 0551 090599 0551 090599 na afenzo no aja obe support yen na wa sponsor yen ewo ehonum ene ne nsama ene so no ye de bro ewo Accra Sports Live update so a ana penso no yaje penie ye de ebro na ye kono mami to ntia emfama the Sailors Group yes Sailors and Mante ne maba no eja omutwa something I say obaba edu ma no ye say prepare no beti me say that ni di nkomo e wo honom nzene no ana pe mami tia Sailors Group no obi bia owo mu e ho na face mi tia na na kufu Gaddafi ana pe no onkra no me saka but mami to nkan so no na eja nhihye wo no so no ye na face no Francis Elukoku puka ana pe mi tia na mi tia Pino ana face no obi bia na monkra no mate na momo no nhihye e kakra wo nhihye kakra wo te prepare no ye tena sia na nhihye ni nyina ye beye na bibia so no ai kama na mi tia e be afro ana pe mi tia e wo na mi tia kopo ade hye nyina yes kopo ade hye ne okapma ade hye nyina na ana pe mi gidi so obi amoye obi akọ na dwuma so yakopon e wo bibia be kama bibia be fine to obi anka na koma to ne yam kopo ade hye nyina bibia be fine na ha ana bre be ma wo kwan na ye de dwumadi na si make us Kobe Asante otenenka or a local stories no na fi so delve into issues critical analysis and all the two
right everything always Arsenal we do make papa okay ejuma e kosu and the contribution very high also right everything chiapa
very fantastic okay na ye kono mami tia sana Pamela mitia ye de wo ho ni tia mitia yes on tia on pay eni a me so ani oh okay the producer I can say eja aya mun sani bibimra so ata say mun sani bibimra ana face no was it okay producer okay advert no yes advert no ye ni wo so ye pa wa be so be wo company eja kromu ano niema koso wa hanom so ata say Kofi Honorable shop no buy be bon deuro e dey amount we entity we company na be say mbo wo product bi hu deuro e fa ma wa oba be bon deuro e dey amount oni payfo tena sia di nkomo kitu bi a bibia be fine na fe sia bo product no e hu deuro e dey amount na kra erepia yes wo no sobolo na aton sobolo no fantastic then we propose na sobolo anoma yes erepia hu na be ma sobolo fantastic e was time bro na fe so best ane pillowcase na towels nyina no nyina so no betumi ahye e dey amount e ho no e dey amete so ene na Kwame Amponsa edi anopɛ no ye de besi na afenso no obi bi onwa bre etie no hye Accra Live Sports update no so no be obi bi ase so munya bre esi nkonya hye yen Facebook ye fancy memene da 10 a.m. e be sen hia yakra mo